thing is that I don't know how to really look at art. So when I look at the art piece, firstly, I didn't think about what the artist was trying to tell me, but more of what it felt with me and how it resonated with me. The first time I laid my eyes on the net, I felt trapped. It gave me this sense of discomfort and I felt like I was mentally stuck. Eventually, as I stood there and I looked at it, I started to discover new things. I can't help but symbolize the net with technology and how it traps us all in this virtual world. We Gen Zs are very much tied to the fact that we are the most technology-driven generation. I saw how the net itself acted as a frame for this installation work, and also I viewed the net for its physicality. You know, its free, fluid movements drifting across the ocean current. This freedom to take charge of my own life gives me endless opportunities to better understand the world that we live in, and it also helps me understand the idealistic generation that we are. That sense of wanting a more meaningful and purposeful life, which is exactly why I did theatre. Just like the net flowing across the ocean, we want to challenge and better ourselves. Hi, my name is Indu and I am a youth volunteer with Kolektif at National Gallery Singapore, and this is Art in 90 Seconds.